how to solve this complex question. Okay, I hope you're doing well. Let's start it. It's a little challenging and tricky. We cannot directly find the x to the power of 128 and plus 1 over x to the power of 128. How we can write or how we can solve this? Please keep watching to the up to the end of the video. Okay, we can write here x plus 1 over x equal to 2. We cannot rise to the power of 128 directly. First, we write both sides of the equation by 2, or actually we x square. Here we can write x plus 1 over x square equal to 2 square. Then the left side of the equation is an identity or a complete square. We expand it, x square plus 2 times x multiplied by 1 over x plus 1 over x square is 2 square 4. Then we simplified here x by x, and we can write here x square plus 2 times by 1, 2 plus 1 over x square equal to 4. Then we can write here x square plus 1 over x square equal to 4, and we subtract both sides of the equation by 2 minus 2. Here remain x square plus 1 over x square is 4 subtract by 2 remain here 2. Once again we square both sides. Here we can write x plus 1 over x total square equal to 2 square. Then we actually here x square plus 1 over x square. Then we expand here x square total square plus 2 times of x square multiplied by 1 over x square plus 1 over x square total x square. Then we can write 2 times of 2 is 4 plus we simplified x square by x square 2 multiplied by 1 2 plus 1 x square is 1, and here x square multiplied to power 2 multiplied by 2 x to the power of 4 equal to 4. Then here we can write x to the power of 4 plus 2 plus 1 over x to the power of 4 minus 2. Both sides of the equation we subtract 2 here, simplify x to the power of 4 plus 1 over x to the power of 4 equal to 4. Then here we take result that how many times we rise to the power of 2 this total side of the equation. The result is constant or 2. So we can write here x to the power of, once again, x to the power of 4 plus 1 over x to the power of 4 square equal to 2 square. Then we expand this identity x to the power of 4 total square plus 2 times of x to the power of 4 multiplied by 1 over x to the power of 4 plus 1 over x to the power of 4 total square equal to 2 times 2 is 4. Then we subtract here x to the power of 2 multiplied by 2 for 8 plus 2 plus 1 over x to the power of 4
Then we came here
and we take result that x to the power of 8 plus 2 plus 1 over x to the power of 8 minus 2 is 4 minus 2. We subtract both sides of the equation by 2 and remain x to the power of 8 plus 1 over x to the power of 8.
4 minus 2 equal 2.
Then we take result that here, if we raise the power of, once again, we gain x to the power of 16, then 32, after that 64, and the next time we take x to the power of 128. So we take result directly x to the power of 128 plus 1 over x to the power of 128 is 2. This is the answer of this question. Okay, if you found it helpful, please like and subscribe.
Thank you for watching.